Hi, welcome to 2026 and to our new studio. Today we're going to take a look at two tube lights from Viltrox. So let's see what they can do. We have already covered many products by Viltrox in the past, which is known for its extensive lens line. However, the company makes all sorts of accessories, including monitors, and today we'll be looking at a couple of its most recent tube lights. The K90 and the P12 are very different lights aimed at potentially different target audiences. The K90 is longer, more robust, and more powerful, while the P12 is a more compact and affordable with the pixel option as the main unique feature. The K90 is just short of 1 meter long with an effective light zone of around 92 centimeters and a diameter of 38 millimeters. It has a metal back and it weighs just around 870 grams. The P12 is just over 75 centimeters long, but its effective light zone is only 57 centimeters and it also has a diameter of 38 millimeters in the center. It has a very light plastic design and it weighs in at less than 420 grams. Both lights have the same bottom layout with an on-off button, plus and minus, a mode/set, and a scroll button. Both have USB-C port for charging and a 1/4 inch 20 on both sides with no R locating pinholes. The P12 also has magnets in the top and bottom and can sort of hold itself against a thick metal door. The K90 is too heavy and has no built-in magnets, but our kit did come with 2 magnetic clips that seem to do the job. The menus are again very similar, with the CCT going all the way from 2500 Kelvin to 8500 Kelvin, HSI mode, RGBW, and FX/PX modes, with the P12 having a special pixel effects that the K90 lacks. A long press on the mode or set button will get you to the pretty basic setting menu with options for changing the channel and group, with the P12 having an extra screen with DMX control and an input power setting. On both lights you can also reset the light and turn the OTA on and off. All in all, the control on both lights is very simple and intuitive. Having a scroll wheel would have probably made for a faster control, but other than that they both work well. Both the K90 and the P12 can connect and use the ViltroxLink app that offers extremely advanced control of the lights as individuals or as groups. You can control the lights using different methods that include temperature, output, green and magenta shift, and of course multiple ways of changing colors and effects, as well as playing with pixels in the case of the P12. The app is generally intuitive, although we would suggest some interface changes such as increasing the brightness of the non-active modes, which are hardly visible on our tablet. The biggest issue with this otherwise very capable app is having the lights connect to it. If you look online, you see many negative user reviews that claim they were not able to connect their lights to the app. We also had issues connecting our lights to the app. After trying all sorts of solutions, we talked to Viltrox, which offered the following solution. Long press the set button and enter the background setting. Set the reset to on and short press the switch button. Add the light to the app and wait for its name to appear on the screen. Then you should press the complete to finish the process. This issue could have probably been resolved if each light had an individual QR code that the app would scan and connect to directly. We had this on other products such as security cameras and it worked really well for us. We suggest that Viltrox will add this in the future as well. We tested the output of both tube lights as well as their color accuracy from 1 meter away using our Sekonic C800 spectrometer, and here are the results. We also tested the battery life of both lights and they were both able to run at full power when set to 5600 Kelvin for a little over an hour. In terms of charge rate, the K90 was able to charge at a rate of over 36 watts, while the P12 was much slower in our test at under 10 watts. So let's conclude. With the K90 and P12, Viltrox seems to provide two solid affordable tube lights Both share much in terms of their operation, with the P12 having the pixel feature which the K90 lacks. The K90 on the other hand is bigger, better built with faster charging and much more power, and for the most part has better color rendering. Both lights can be controlled via the advanced Viltrox app, although we would like to see a more streamlined wireless setup. Finally, pricing. The K90 dual light kit that we have tested here sells for around $230 and it comes with a case, and a single P12 sells for around $86. So that was our look at the K90 and P12 from Viltrox. You can check out the full review with all of our test results on LensVid.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more videos just like this. See you in the next video.